What's up guys, BronxMadeRay here with another video. This time we're going to be doing a freeform dread / twist tutorial. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get the dreads, the twist, whatever you want to call it, how to type your hair with these, and we're just going to get right into it.
Niggas is groupies, bitches is sense, niggas is sense, bitches is groupies. They my shit, they some sense, they thought they knew me, but they don't, and I won't hold. Niggas on my dick and I bet it that they gon' fall.
They hating, they watching, they lames, they fakes.
Alright guys, so you see my hair, right? Yeah, that's what's called freeform dreads / twist, whatever you want to call it. Some people say dreads, some people say twist. Just know it's freeform. You wanna know how I got it? I'm gonna tell you how I got it. Alright, so boom. You gotta have some hair gel, you know? I know some guys don't like to give out how they get their hair like this, and I used to be one of them. I used to say I just used to use water. I used to say that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest. I don't like people copying me. I'm one of a kind. So, Eco Styling Hair Gel. This is the best one you can get. Don't get all that other shit. Get this. It's at a good price. It's not expensive. You can afford this. If you can't, ask your mom, ask your dad, get a job. I quit mine. Yeah, you wanna have that, right? And you know, you gotta have wave and enforcer. You can have any wave brush you want, but you know, this one, I would say it's you can use a soft one. Do not use a hard one, that will damage your hair. You can use one medium. Mine's really more of a, I would say it's like between medium and soft kinda. It's nowhere near hard. But yeah, use that, put it in a circular motion, and you can also use the wave brush, which I also recommend if you want to do that. It doesn't really give it the same look, but the wave brush actually gives it a, like, the tips like look better, if it makes sense. Like it makes it look more like a spiky look. And then you also want to use this. You want to use it in like a combination with these two. You know, you just like take some out, put it in here, rub it in, back and forth. Cause that's what I like to do. I don't really like to get deep into it, cause this could like cause buildup, and you don't want none of this like deep in your hair. You just want it really on the top, I would say. That way, when you do this, it curls up, twists up, how you want it. But hey, don't do all that yet. Don't do all that yet. Pick your hair, guys. Please pick your hair. I see a lot of guys who who are listening to what I'm saying and don't use the pick first. Pick your hair up, wash your hair, whatever the case may be. Clean your hair, just clean your hair, pick it out, do this first. That's the most important. You're gonna get the look, but it's not gonna look as fire, like I'm telling you, like, cause when I first did it, I didn't pick my hair out at first, and it still looked nice, but it was like if I picked it out, the length and everything, it would be there. So when I did the second time, it looked 10 times better, and now look at me, fresh, right? You see what I'm saying? When you pick out your hair, you get the results. You feel me? So the hair ties. Now I recommend when you're in this process, always have a couple hair ties with you. I recommend using them. So I would say before you go to bed, you are gonna wanna tie up your hair. And for those of you who don't know, tying up your hair actually does make it grow faster. And when you take it out in the morning, it just makes your hair look a lot more longer and stuff. So I recommend you use that. I use it here and there. I just got some hair ties, so I'm gonna go back to using it again. And you can also try like different hairstyles, like you see X. I might show a picture from Not Lazy somewhere around here. Like X, who else? Polo G. Who else got dreads? I think Offset does it, but his isn't freeform though, and those other guys really isn't. But you get what I'm talking about. They use hair ties to like have the hair like certain ways. Like X, he would have his like most of it pointing out like this, and some of this doing whatever. Polo G does the same thing. You know, so you could do that. I really recommend you get a hair tie. That way, when you go to sleep, before you go to sleep, tie up your hair. In the morning, take it out. Your hair's gonna look 10 times longer, I'm telling you. And it's really healthy for your hair to do that. And it will prevent it from like really just messing up, like getting bedhead when you sleep. Cause all you gotta do is take it out. Your hair's looking good. You know, you just get on with your day. You don't gotta do too much maintenance when you tie up your hair, you feel me? But yeah guys, for some more advice, just know like doing freeform dreads, twists, this is a process. That's what you gotta know. It may take a few months. It may take you less, you know? So if you started with more hair, just know it's still a process, but it doesn't matter where you start in terms of like doing your freeform, just know it's a process. You know, you have to be patient. And Another thing is, a lot of people like to DM me trying to get their hair like mine. I just want to let this be known that you can't copy a lot of people's hairstyles. A lot of people have different hair types. Sometimes the outcome may be different, you know. You just gotta understand that, like, you know, you can't copy mine, you can't copy, who else? Who else Freeform, like, I don't know, like Polo G, you can't copy X. Who else is Freeform? I know a YouTuber, A Marquez. You just can't copy like these Freeform hair. LaMelo, he doesn't have the dreads or whatever, but you just can't copy it. Odell, like, you can't copy those styles. But you could get close to it. That's the one I would say. You could get close to it. But yeah, just keep in mind, keep some hairstyles with you. It does make your hair grow faster. That's the number one thing I recommend. If you want your hair to grow faster, do this. Every morning, just put some water in your hair, just like this much, yeah. This much, and just grace it through your hair. And I would say every 2 weeks, wash your hair. Now, if you're an athlete, you play sports, I would say right after your football, basketball practice, or like after your game, wash it. Don't use too much water. I actually do have a video. It might pop up here for my lazy. It might pop up in the end of the video. It might pop up in the beginning. I don't know. But I have a tip on how to wash your hair. So if you need that, it's gonna be there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. That's all the advice I can give you. All of my tutorials I could give you. Hey guys, that's for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's pretty much all the advice I could give you, tips, everything. Just keep in mind, pick your hair out first. Use the hair gel, curl and styling milk. Grace that through your hair. Then take a wave brush, sponge, circular motion to your desired look. I'm helping y'all out right now. And then once your hair gets to a certain length, just keep a couple hair ties with you at all times. Tie up your hair before you go to sleep. Or have it tied up during the day if you want to. That also helps it even grow faster, keeps it maintained. Make sure you wash your hair every 2 weeks if you were not an athlete, if you're not playing any sports. But if you do play sports, after you practice and after your game, wash your hair. Do not to use too much water, but I do have a video that's gonna pop up that you're gonna wanna watch for my athletes. I got y'all. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. BronxMadeRay, we out. Stream up next. I have 2 channels. I have a gaming channel. Videos gonna be up soon. 2K20, Fortnite, all that. I have a family channel. A lot of bangers on there. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. BronxMadeRay, we out. Dig. Pop. Why you do that? I don't know why you do that.
Niggas is groupies, bitches is sense, niggas is sense, bitches is groupies. They in my shade, they some sense.